School by IFRA. In this video, we are going to discuss exclusive and independent events. Okay, two events are exclusive if they cannot occur at the same time. Again, two events are exclusive if they cannot occur at the same time. For example, selecting an ace or selecting a 10 from a pack of cards. The OR rule. For exclusive events A and B, probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Again, the OR rule. For exclusive events A and B, probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, two events are independent if the occurrence of one event is unaffected by the occurrence of the other. Again, two events are independent if the occurrence of one event is unaffected by the occurrence of the other. For example, obtaining a head on one coin and a tail on another coin when the coins are tossed at the same time. The AND rule. Probability of A and B is equal to probability of A times probability of B, where P of A is equal to probability of A occurring. This is the multiplication law. Okay, let's have a look at an example. One ball is selected at random from a bag containing 5 red balls, 2 yellow balls and 4 white balls. Find the probability of selecting a red ball and a white ball. The two events are exclusive. So probability of red ball or a white ball is equal to probability of red plus probability of white. So is equal to 5 over 11. We have 11 total number of balls plus 4 over 11. So that is 9 over 11 is our answer. Let's have a look at another example. A fair coin is tossed and a fair die is rolled. Find the probability of obtaining a head and a 6. The two events are independent. Probability of head and 6 is equal to probability of head into probability of 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 6 is equal to 1 over 12 is our answer. Okay. A card is drawn from a pack of playing cards and a die is thrown. Events A and B are as follows. Event A. A jack is drawn from the pack B. A 3 is thrown on the die. Write down the values of probability of A, probability of B. Write down the values of probability of A and B. So probability of A is 4 over 52 because we have 4 jacks in a pack of 52 cards. So that is 1 over 13. A 3 is thrown on the die. Probability of B is 1 over 6 because we can only have 3 ones. And the total number of possibilities when we throw the die is 6. So probability of B is 1 over 6. Probability of A and B is equal to 1 over 13 into 1 over 6, that is 1 over 78 is our answer. Okay, let's have a look at another question. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Write down the probability of obtaining a head on the coin, an odd number on the die. C, a head on the die and an odd number on the die. A head on the die, a head on the coin and an odd number on the die. Probability of head on the coin is 1 over 2. B. Probability of odd number on the die is 3 by 6. We can have 1, 3 and 5. 3 and total number of possibilities are 6. So 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Probability of head on the coin and an odd number on the die is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 is our answer. Okay. Let's have a look at another question. A card is drawn from a pack of playing cards. Event X and Y are as follows. A king is drawn. Event X is a king is drawn. Event Y is a queen is drawn. Write down the values of probability of X, B. Probability of Y, C. Probability of X or Y. So probability of X, that is a king is drawn, is 4 over 52 since we have 4 kings in a pack of 52 cards. So that is 1 over 13. B. Probability that a queen is drawn is 4 over 52. That is, we have 4 queens in a pack of 52 cards. That is 1 over 13. And probability of X or Y is equal to probability of X plus probability of Y. That is 1 over 13 plus 1 over 13 is 2 over 13 is our answer. Let's have a look at another question. In an experiment, a card is drawn from a pack of playing cards and a die is thrown. Find the probability of obtaining a card which is an ace and a 6 on the die, a heart and a 1 on the die. So the probability of a card which is an ace and a 6 on the die is 4 over 52 into 1 over 6 is equal to 2 over 156, that is 1 over 78. And B, probability of a heart and a 1 on a die is equal to 13 over 52 into 1 over 6, that is 1 over 24 is our answer. Let's have a look at another question. A ball is selected at random from a bag containing 3 red balls, 4 black balls and 5 green balls. The first ball is replaced and a second is selected. Find the probability of obtaining A, 2 red balls, B, 2 green balls. So the probability of obtaining 2 red balls is 3 over 12 into 3 over 12, that is 9 over 144, that is 1 over 16. And the probability of 2 green balls is equal to 5 over 12 into 5 over 12, that is 25 over 144 is our answer. Okay, let's have a look at another question. The letters of the word independent are written on individual cards and the cards are put into a box. A card is selected and then replaced and then a second card is selected. Find the probability of obtaining A, the letter P twice, B, the letter E twice. Probability of obtaining the letter P twice is 1 over 11 into 1 over 11, that is 1 over 121. And the probability of obtaining the E twice is 3 over 11 into 3 over 11, that is 9 over 121. Let's have a look at another question. 3 coins are tossed and 2 die are thrown at the same time. Find the probability of obtaining 3 heads and a total of 12 on the dice, 3 tails and a total of 9 on the dice. Probability of obtaining 3 heads and a total of 12 on the dice is 1 over 2 dot 1 times 1 over 2 dot times 1 over 2 times 1 over 36 is equal to 1 over 8 into 1 over 288 is equal to 1 over 288. And the probability of obtaining 3 heads and a total of 9 on a die is 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 times 4 over 36, that is 1 over 8 times 1 over 9 is 1 over 72 is our answer. Let's have a look at the last question. A coin is tossed so that it shows heads with a probability of 2 by 3. The same coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of obtaining 2 tails on the first 2 tosses, a head, a tail and a head in that order, 2 heads and 1 tail in any order. Probability of obtaining a heads is 2 by 3. Probability of obtaining a tails is 1 by 3. Probability of 2 tails on the first 2 tosses is equal to 1 over 3 into 1 over 3, that is 1 over 9. B, probability of a tail, a head, a tail and a head in this order is 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3, that is 4 over 27. Probability of 2 heads and 1 tail is probability of head, head, tail plus probability of tail, head, head plus probability of head, tail, head. So that is 4 over 27 plus 4 over 27 plus 4 over 27, that is 12 over 27, that is 4 over 9 is our answer.